First of all, I know what you're thinking. Why is Mark, me, a yoga teacher, talking about Bitcoin and currency? Well, if I'm honest with you, for a long time I've considered myself one of the wealthiest people I know. Hi, I'm Mark, this is YogaCoach, and it is a channel for yoga teachers that want to step up and take their teaching to the next level, that want to transition their teachings from the studio to online and want to be at the leading edge of how yoga moves into the future. We're super excited about it. If you're excited about it, hit the subscribe button, click on the bell, and you'll be notified every time a new video comes out. And it's not because I have the most money in the bank account. I don't. And it's not because, I got lucky a number of years ago. I invested in land in the tropics through friends. And it's not because I moved to Bali and I immediately became a rupiah billionaire. I'm wealthy for a very different reason. I actually have stock that Richard Branson would be jealous of. I have a bank account so big that no institution could even consider holding it for me. And I started investing in this currency when I was only 5 years old. And every morning, it's the first bit of work that I do. It's my first deposit, and I call it my conscious bank account. And the key currency I collect is consciousness. Why? Because, in truth, it underpins everything else. Look at this idea that seeded Bitcoin was actually birthed from the collective consciousness. The inspiration that fuels Elon Musk to dream bigger than any other human before is this limitless supply of insight, intuition, and ideas, and they actually reside in the collective unconsciousness. It's available to all of us. And if you're really serious about being of service to humanity, if you have big dreams burning deep inside your bones to leave a positive impact on the world before you complete this current rotation of karma, you're going to need a bigger bank account of consciousness. And this is why we always summon a yogi's potential when they start working with us. It's the first step of 9, summoning your potential. And what that means is that you're tapping into source consciousness every day to ensure you're collecting stock in the most important currency the world will ever see, consciousness. And here's the thing, the yogis left maps and practices that summon your potential faster than any biohack, cold bath, or superfood. And I've been lucky enough to sit at the feet of these sages most of my life. I'm honored to be a wisdom carrier for these practices, and it's one of the greatest joys of my life that I get to pass them on to my students. Honestly, I love seeing when spirit starts to carry my students towards their dreams, to where they want to go. Suddenly the world aligns, opportunity to rise out of nowhere, and they start sharing words so steeped in wisdom that their dream audience is magnetized to work with them. Their external abundance and their income finally takes on their internal abundance, and it's matched to the external world. And once you invest in your conscious bank account, it kind of gets so much easier. So I have some saucy questions for you, right? How big is your conscious bank account? Have you actually even started investing in it yet? And if you have, what's your favorite way to build your account, to build your conscious currency? And if you're yet to start investing, what's actually holding you back? I would love to hear from you. So please comment, let us know the answers to those questions, subscribe to the channel, share and like, and we will see you on the next video. One-handed namaste, shaka, peace out.